हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम लेने वाले हैं 120 वर्ड पर मिनट इंग्लिश डिक्टेशन। बी रेडी फॉर इट। 10 सेकेंड, 5 सेकेंड, स्टार्ट।
Mr. Speaker, paragraph. Let me, at the outset, thank you for giving me this opportunity to participate in the general discussion on the budget presented to the House by the Honorable Finance Minister yesterday. I do not know whether I should congratulate him or criticize him. The reason why I say so is that the budget contains both items which deserve congratulation and criticism. On the whole, I should say that the has taken great pains to balance the expenditure and income of the state. Paragraph. With these general remarks, I now proceed to refer to the increase in sales tax on some of the essential articles. I wish he had not resorted to this taxation. The items that he proposes to bring under the increased taxation are very essential items which are required by the common man for everyday existence. So, the increase in tax in respect of these items will very much affected him. So, I request the government to take this aspect into consideration and withdraw the tax. Paragraph. Next, I come to electricity. No doubt, this government has taken tremendous efforts to extend electricity to as many places as possible in the state. In spite of their best efforts, the agriculturists are finding it extremely difficult to avail of the electricity at the right time because of the great delay in giving power connections, because of frequent backward of electricity for long hours, because of load dropping. They are put to considerable suffering. They could not irrigate their lands when they have to be irrigated. This results in failure of crops and loss to them. It is high time the officers of the electricity department find out the reasons for such power cuts and devise ways and means by which the farmers could be assured of firm supply of power without interruption.